Hi, Sterling. What are you having for dinner? Huh? What did Mommy make for you?
Say bananas and cereal.
That looks good. Sterling. Look over here, Sterling.
Tú tienes que parar con él porque se va a seguir. He's gonna keep turning. Se vira la cara from side to side.
That looks yummy. Hi. Yum. Eating like a big boy.